In Middle Europe's winter showdown, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 faces the new challenger, the Michelin Alpin 7. Both target peak performance on snow and wet roads, but only one will set the season's benchmark. Let's find out who is it. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Reifen Tester's 2025 winter tyre test. Starting with wet, the Blizzak 6 stops 1.7 meters shorter in wet braking, giving it a 5% advantage. The Alpine 7 counters with a 0.3 point higher handling score, which is 2% stronger in control. Aquaplaning remains virtually equal, with less than 0.1 km per hour separating them. The Blizzak excels in braking confidence, while the Alpine 7 shines in steering precision. The Alpine 7 shows its winter strength with a 0.9 meters shorter in snow braking, a 4% advantage, and 17 newtons more traction, 1% stronger. Snow handling scores remain identical at 7.1 for both, showing no measurable gap. Snow performance clearly favors Michelin. When it comes to dry, Blizzak 6 dominates. It stops 0.7 meters shorter, 2% stronger in braking, and it holds a 0.7 point lead in handling, which equals to 4% sharper control. For drivers valuing stability and precision, Bridgestone takes the lead. The Alpine 7 is just marginally quieter and more comfortable, scoring 0.1 points higher in both categories, equal to a 1% gain. The refinement edge is small but present. When it comes to efficiency, the Alpine 7 has a decisive advantage, requiring a coefficient value of 1.2 less effort, which is 17% lower rolling resistance. This translates to a better fuel economy and range. When it comes to pricing, in the 215/55R17 size, the Michelin Alpin 7 is 18% more expensive than the Bridgestone Blizzak 6. In summary, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 stands out with its superior wet and dry braking, sharper handling scores, and overall safety in demanding conditions. On the other hand, the Michelin Alpin 7 delivers better snow grip, significantly lower rolling resistance, and a touch more refinement.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.